Hello guys, this is Avinash Mishra, and in this video we are going to learn about what is reflection of light ray through a mirror. There are generally two types of mirror. One is concave mirror, another one is convex mirror. In a concave mirror, image formed by concave mirror are real, except in one case. Real images are nothing but it means it can be placed on a wall and it is formed on the same side of the object. Means if the object is on the left hand side of the mirror, then the image formed is on the left side. And the images formed by concave mirror are also inverted except in one case. Inverted image is it means it is rotated by 180 degrees. If we are standing in front of a mirror, we are placing my right. If I am placing my right hand pressing my right hand, then in the image side in the mirror, what the image will be formed in that I would be placing my left hand. So this is what it means about the inverted image. In a convex mirror, images formed by the convex mirror are virtual. Means it cannot virtual image means what? Virtual image means it cannot be placed on a wall and it is formed on the opposite side of the object. Means if the object is placed on the left hand side of the mirror, then the image is formed on the right hand side. Images are erect. Erect image means it is upright and it is same as object. Means as the object is placed in the generally object are placed in the erect position. So when the image is formed, image is also is placed on the same side, means on the in the upright version in the close to the same size also. The best way in which we can explain the reflection is by ray diagram. Ray diagram is the best version in which we can explain the reflection of light. Image formation by concave mirror. There are 6 different cases of image formation by concave mirror. First case is that when the object is at infinity. As you can see, first of all, let's get first one we should know the term. This is C. This is not the center of curvature. The mirror is this part, the MN of the mirror. It is only one part of a whole circle. And if we draw the whole circle here, then the center would be at C. So C is nothing but center of the whole mirror, whole circular mirror. This line, the line that joining C, F, and T is known as principal axis. The point F is known as the principal focus. P is known as the pole of the mirror. M and N are the mirror, and this and this side is known as the smooth and polished side. This is not the unpolished. This is unpolished side. As you can see, the image means the object is A and B. One ray is coming from the A and it is hitting the point D of the mirror MN, and it is getting reflected and it is passing through the point F. And we should know one fact that the image that is traveling means the ray that is traveling parallel to the principal axis always passes through the focus, whichever ray that may be. If that is passing parallel to the principal axis, then it will cross through the point F. Similarly, as we can see, the ray that is coming out from B and it is striking the N part of the mirror, it is also, as it is parallel to the principal axis, it is crossing the point F. So here the image formed, when the object is at infinity, then the image is formed at the focus. As you can see here also, the image is formed at the point F, focus. What is the characteristic of the image? The size of the image is diminished and point size. As you can see also, the image that is formed is in the point portion. So yes, the point is the point as it is in the point version. Then you can see that the point image is very diminished and it is point sized. The nature of the image is real and inverted. And let's talk about the case 2. In the case 2, the object is beyond C. As you can see, C is center of curvature and the point is beyond C. So in this in the object A and B, A and B is the object, and the one ray is coming through the B, and it is passing along the principal axis. So as when the object is means when the ray of light is passing normal to the means when the it is passing to the normal not it is passing to the parallel to the principal axis, so it gets reflected in the back in the same direction. And another ray that is passing from A and it is striking the point M, as it is parallel to the principal axis, it is passing to the point F, the principal focus. Another ray is coming that is passing through that is intersecting the principal axis at the point C, at the center of curvature, and it is striking the point N, and that image is retracing its path. This ray that is coming out of A are intersecting at this point, and here an image is formed which is real and inverted in nature. As you can see, the arrow is upright, but here the arrow is inverted in the opposite direction. When the object is beyond C, the image formed is formed between the, here it is not written, it is formed between the focus and the center of curvature. The size of the image is diminished, and the nature of the image is real and inverted. As you can see, the object height is this much, while the image height is very small. This is the third case, when the object is at C, means the object is at center of curvature. When the object is at center of curvature, here you can see the object AB. Similarly, two rays are passing from A. One is striking the point D, and it is parallel to the principal axis, it is intersecting the principal axis at point F, principal focus. Another ray is coming, it is coming through the principal focus, and it is striking the point E, and it is getting reflected in the direction in the ray as the ray EA dash, and the ray EA dash and the reflected ray from the AB is intersecting at the point this, and here the real and inverted image is formed, A dash B dash. The image is real and is inverted. When the object is at C, the image is formed at the center of curvature. So when you place the object at center of curvature, then the image is formed also at the center of curvature. The size of the image is same. As you can see also in the ray diagram also, the size of the image is same. The nature of the image is real and as well as inverted. In the case 4, the object is between center of curvature and principal focus. When the object is between center of curvature and principal focus, as you can see, here is the image is formed. In the object is there AB. One ray is passing from A, and it is passing parallel to the principal axis, so it is striking the point D, and it is passing through the point F, the principal focus, and it is going as DA dash, as a reflected ray named DA dash. And similarly, one ray that is passing through the point A, and it is striking the point M, and it is retracing its path, flowing through, means it is passing through the point C, center of curvature, and it is both rays are intersecting at the point A dash and B dash. Means this image is formed at A dash and B dash. The size, as you can see from the ray diagram only, that the size of the image has enlarged. So in the characteristic also you can see that. Okay, I have left that slide. The image is when the object is between C and F, then the image is formed beyond C. When the object is between C and F, then the image is formed beyond C, and the size of the image is enlarged, and the nature of the image is real and inverted. The case 5, when the object is at focus. When the object is at focus, there you can see the object is A and B, and the one ray is passing as usual through the A, from A as parallel to the principal axis, so it is passing to the point F, principal focus, and it is going in the direction D. You can say it X, the direction DX. Another ray similar from another ray. that is passing through from A towards E, and it is retracing its path, and it is flowing through. It is passing the point C at the central of principal axis, and you have to see that the rays are not meeting. So the image, so you have to consider that image is formed at infinity. When the object is at focus, the image formed is at infinity. As we don't know where it is forming, so we have to consider is that the size of the image is enlarged, and the nature of the image is real and inverted. The last case of the concave mirror, when the object is between P and F, the principal focus, pole of the mirror and the principal focus. When the object is between the P and F, AB is the object, and one ray is passing, and one ray is coming from A, and it is hitting the pole of the mirror, and it is getting reflected as PY. Another ray is passing from A, and it is hitting the point E, and it is retracing its path through C. But here is, as you can see in this side, the image can be formed as the angle between them, angle between EC and PY is constantly increasing. So here the image formed is virtual and erect. So we have to, as you can see here, that the image can be formed here. So we have to take the backside of the mirror. In the backside of the mirror, we have to retrace the path in the dotted line, and here you can see that image is formed behind the mirror, and the image name is A dash B dash. As you can see, the size of the image is very enlarged, and very enlarged and erect. When the object is between P and F, the image is formed behind the mirror. The size of the image is enlarged. Nature of the image is virtual and erect. Now we have to see the case of image formation by convex mirror. There are two different cases of image formation by convex mirror. There are only two cases. Because here in the concave mirror, there are 6 different cases, but here only 2 cases. In the first case, the object is at infinity. See, you can see the object AB, the rays are passing through it. All are parallel to it, parallel to the principal axis. One is passing through the principal axis. So the one that is passing through the principal axis will retrace its path. The other rays, one is from C. Let us consider it E. The ray passing from E is hitting the point Y, and it is passing through the direction G. Here it is M. Sorry, not M, not. Let us consider W, and the ray is passing through Z. So it is from W it is going towards U, and WU is the ray, and UZ is a reflected ray. As you can see here also, the angle between YG and UZ is constantly increasing. So we have to create a dotted line behind the mirror, and the image is formed at the principal focus, which is obviously behind the mirror. As you can see also, the image formed is diminished. When the object is at infinity, then the image formed is at focus behind the mirror. Size of the image is diminished. Nature of the image is virtual and erect. Let us consider now case 2. In the case 2, object is between infinity and pole of the mirror. When the object is between infinity and the pole of the mirror, here you can also see that one ray is coming AG, another is AY, it is W, and one ray is coming AG from A, and it is retracing its path, and another ray is coming AY, and it is hitting the mirror, convex mirror, and it is passing through towards W as YW, reflecting as YW. As you can see also, here also angle is increasing. So here we have to also consider now the dotted backline. We have to dotted it, and here the image is formed at point C. Here the image is also formed at point C. sorry. Image is formed at between pole and focus. Sorry, not beyond it. Beyond you not see. It is formed beyond. It is formed at point B, point P and F. It is formed between point P and F. As you can see, the size of the image has decreased as compared to object. So the size of the image is diminished. Nature of the image is virtual and erect. So this was all about reflection of light through mirror. Thank you guys for watching it till the end. Thank you.